Hi, I'm Yami, and if you don't know me yet, you're going to get to know me because I'm going to shop for you. That means anything that you may want from the Disney parks, Disney Springs, of course, and of course the most important one is the Disney character warehouses. There's 2 of them located in Orlando, and those I film at and I purchase stuff. If you are interested in things, I'm going to tell you now how you can order. I have been debating for days on how I wanted to do this, and I think the easiest possible way is that when I open up shopping, when I open the store up, I'll say store is open. That means anything that you've seen on the videos that I've posted or even on somebody else's video. So we're going to show you my videos, of course, and then anybody else's videos that are about the warehouse. I will also be sharing my other fun little videos for you, but if I'm going to shop for you, you got to do me a favor. Go down to that red button down there that says subscribe on your computer. If you're on your computer, if you're on your TV, you have to go down to where the play and the pause button is. Then there's a little circle. You hit that. That goes to the channel. You know, go on your computer. Or you can go on your phone. Either or. But make sure you subscribe because I need everyone that's going to shop with me to be on my YouTube. Okay? I'm trying to get to 1,000. I'm almost there. Almost there. So you guys can help me get there. And then, let me see. Email. That's how you're going to get a hold of me. That's how I'm going to take orders, are through emails and emails only. When you email me, it's going to be down below. It's yamisadventures@gmail.com. I'm hoping that this really will work out for me. I'm just getting back to good health, well, to fair health, I should say. I just recently had back surgery. I've had a lot of surgeries. If I sat down and told you every surgery I had, you'd be like, what? Let's just say my back surgery since 2012, that was number 15. Yeah. 15th surgery. I'm tired. I'm tired of them. So I am getting myself back to health there, and I have my wonderful husband to help me. Boo. You guys can call him Boo or you can call him Jay. But he's my boo. He's been my boo for like 20 years. So we've been together a while. But enough about me. You want to know about shopping. Okay. On the emails, please, name, address, phone number at the very top of the email. Then underneath there, the best description possible and the price of the item. And don't forget to tell me how many you want or the sizes, what sizes you want. If it's a kid's, make sure you write down that it's kids. If it's an adult or if it's a man's, woman's, you know, something, you know, put that on there. So if they have multiple ones, that's pretty much it. I'm going to give a cutoff date. If I say it's 6 o'clock on Tuesday, I have to cut it off right at 6 o'clock. If your order comes in at 6:01, 6:02, I'm unable to take your order. It's going to be just too hard to keep doing it. Now, changing items. If you decide you don't want an item that's in your cart or in your email, I've been trying to think of how it's done, but you guys should know how to do it. But you can reply to that email that you sent me with the new item on it. If that makes sense. You know, just kind of reply to yourself and to me. If not, if you don't understand, you can just do a whole new email. Or another email and just in the subject write additional items or cancel items or cancel order, you know, in the subject line. You can do that. That will probably be easier for right now until I think of another way. Let me see. Then I will go shopping. I will be getting as much of your items as possible. I will be shopping multiple days. So I may do shopping for like a week, 2 weeks at the most to get those items. So, and then I do expect payment within 24 hours. So when you place your order, make sure you are able to pay for your order. And because I, you know, this is money coming out of my pocket and taking it back to the store. They frown on that. And then, you know, with us being shoppers in there, we don't want to do anything to upset the workers there, because they are generous enough to allow us in there to do the shopping, and they even help out every once in a while. So I don't want to have to return items, and I don't have room for a bunch of items to be left, you know, just sitting around trying to find a home for it. So I ask that you please be able to purchase your items. Unfortunately, I can only allow you to make a mistake once. If to pay and you do not respond to me and you do not pay, I will not shop for you anymore. Talk to me if there's a problem, if something came up, you know, talk to me. We'll work something out. We'll see what we can do. But I ask that you do talk to me, you know, and we'll work something out. I'm an easy laid back girl, and we can talk. So if you're watching this video, you're obviously because you want to shop. So, but let me just tell you a little bit more about my channel. I like to save money. I don't like spending money. I want deals. That's why I love the warehouse. The deals in there are wonderful. But I do park pickups. I will go to any one of the parks, pick up items that you may want from there, and it would be added on an additional to your thing. Now my fees. Popcorn buckets are a $10 shopper fee, and you pay the shipping, of course. Items from the parks, it is $15 per trip. If that makes sense. If I go 1 week and get you something, and next week you ask me to get you something else, it's an additional $15 for that. Now, so it's technically $15 per park, I should say. Because if you order 2 or 3 things and it's at Magic Kingdom, it's just one $15 fee. I'm not going to charge you 3 $15 fees. So I guess my best way to say it is it's $15 per park and spring. So there's 5 options that I can go to. As far as Disney Character Warehouse shopping, that is a minimum $10 fee per order. And then, or up to 20%, whichever is greater. So $10 or 20%. We take PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. All that information is going to be listed in the Disney Character Warehouse group that I'm in. I will put the link to that down below. If you're watching this outside the group, you can join the group, and in there pictures are posted, videos are posted, so you know what's in the warehouse around that time. So on Yammy's Adventures, I like to go find deals. I mean, I know staying at Disney property would be great. We've only been able to stay once. But it's expensive. You know, it really is expensive. So I'm finding other options around Disney that will still get you a place, transportation to the park, because these hotels that I go to, I make sure that there is theme park transportation available. I try to make sure it's free too, because why should you have to pay to be transported to the parks? You're paying enough for your room. It should be included. So I do all that stuff. The shopping, of course, I do show you where to find deals at. But then I also have my little cooking segment that I do. I just cook something and you guys watch. I can be comical, so you know, you have to watch one of them and see. And then I have another segment that I'm doing is Yapping with. I am going to go live on YouTube, and that's going to be Yapping with Yammy. And then there is Yammy's Tips and Tricks. That's going to tell you how to get around something or how to get something. That's not really like a segment unless I can get like a bunch of tips and tricks together. Then I will do like a segment, but you'll hear them in my videos, tips and tricks. You know, Yammy's Tips and Tricks. Remember, I will tell you that. If you are disabled, like I am, I will teach you how to get around the parks easier. Let's just say the DAS, Disability Access Service, I think is for. I could be wrong. If you know exactly what DAS means, comment below, but I'm pretty sure it's Disability Access Services. But I'll teach you how to get that and what to do. So watch for that one. Other tips and tricks. So come check me out. Let's have some fun. So I hope you liked everything. I hope you understood everything. And I hope you will shop with me. And because I promise to do the very best I can for you. Boo and I will do it. And this keeps me going. I need something to keep going, and this is going to do it. So, why not? Come back and see me.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Bling!
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah!